Did you know at the park and in the park make you sound totally different? It's subtle but huge for sounding natural. Here's the simple trick. Use at for a general spot or location. Use in when you're physically inside something enclosed. For example, meet me at the cinema means outside or at that place. Meet me in the cinema means specifically inside the building. Or she works at the marketing department sounds like the location. She works in the marketing department means inside that team section, even with a park. I'm at the park is somewhere nearby. I'm in the park means you're within its boundaries. Here's a native tip. We often use at for public places, like at the station, at school, or at home, even if we're technically inside. So stop guessing. Choose the preposition that matches where you actually are. For more tips like this, check out the Telegram channel, Edian. Follow along to keep improving your English.